Loopy, we will use your hand. So go ahead. Wave your hand over the top of Clarence. You guys, on the count of 3, we need a magic word to yell out. Anybody yell out a magic word? Yell it out. What's a magic word we can use? Go ahead. Have a banana. You want us to eat a banana right in the middle of the show? Have a banana. Oh, you didn't say have a banana. You said what? Abracadabra. I thought you said have a banana. Trying to make a monkey out of us. Okay, wave your hand over the top. Audience, on the count of 3, you all say abracadabra. And we'll have Loopy turn Clarence into a beautiful butterfly. Wait. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was brilliant, you guys. Reach in there and show everyone a beautiful butterfly. Clarence, the beautiful butterfly, because you guys... Show the audience there, Loopy. This is not... Wait a second, you guys. I know the problem. You guys, we can't say abracadabra. What are the only magic words that work in the library this summer? Don't bug me, I'm... That's it! Okay, let me go ahead and put them in there. Now, oh wait, we can't use a magic wand either. We've talked about books doing magic. You stay there. Because like a cocoon changes a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly, when we people read books, they change us for the better too, don't they, everybody? So we'll get you a book, Loopy. We'll get you a book. Here it is, a book I've been reading called Cocoon. I'll show you the inside of the book. Look at this, everybody. It's light reading. Okay, Loopy, hold the bottom right there. Hold the bottom, hold the other hand on top right there. Now you're going to wave the book over the bag with Clarence in it. Just wave over the top. You guys say, don't bug me. I'm reading on the count of 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't bug me. I'm reading. Okay, Loopy, reach in there and show everyone that Clarence is now a beautiful butterfly. Go ahead. Show him. And he's a beautiful butterfly. Go ahead, reach. Just pull him out. Loopy, what are you doing? What did you do with Clarence the caterpillar? Did you eat him? He wasn't a gummy worm. What did you do? Where could he be? What? The book? No. You guys think it's in the book? Oh, you guys are good. Wait a second. Loopy, look, something's coming out. Something's crawling. Go, pull it the rest of the way. Go ahead and open it up and show you. Everybody, you did it. Look what Loopy did. Give yourselves a big round of applause, everybody. Brilliant. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at the beautiful colors. All because a book changed the caterpillar into a butterfly, like books change us when we read. Wait a second. Barney said something about the house, didn't he? Did you notice Peekaboo's house is all just black and white? Look at all the colors on the butterfly. Shall we try it, everybody? Loopy, let's try it, okay? Tell you what. You open that up. I'm going to cover them up. Cover up Peekaboo's house, black and white on both sides. Go ahead, Loopy, come over here and stand next to me. You stand right on that side there. Go ahead and cover it up with a beautiful Clarence the butterfly. There's the front. There's the back. Oh, let me get you the book. Because Loopy, on the count of 3, the kids, you all, the audience, let's do it together. Let's all yell, don't bug me, I'm reading. As Loopy waves her magic book over the top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Don't bug me, I'm reading. Take this from Loopy. Go ahead, Loopy, pull off the butterfly. Oh my goodness, watch out! Do you guys see the beautiful rainbow here? I think the colors... You did it! Look at Peekaboo's house, everybody! Look what you did! Give yourselves a big round of applause! It's beautiful! Look at what you look at that! It's color in the front, it's color in the back. It's got a red roof and yellow. But you know what, Loopy? I kind of missed the white. I kind of like the white. I wonder what happened to the white. I wonder what happened to the white. Yes, I've got a little white occurrence right here. There's yellow and green. There's the red. What, behind me? There's something behind me. I don't see anybody. Over here behind me. I don't see anything over there. Everybody, Loopy did it. It's Peekaboo the bunny. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Go ahead and have a seat and give Loopy a big round of applause for being such a wonderful reader and a wonderful magician. Come here, Peekaboo. Buddy, what are you doing here? What is that? You brought us something very special. What did you bring us? You're okay. Yes, he's okay. Don't worry, folks. He's a, what is that? He has special K for breakfast. What? Inside what? This? We looked in there. It was empty. Ah! Peekaboo. Barney. Daddy was right. He said you might bring us a letter, and we brought the letter. Okay. So everything is okay. That means we just have to add the letter K to our word, and then we just need a corn on the cob. That's all we need to turn Rudy back into a little boy. We need a... No, it's not a cob. Oh, you guys are right. I think you're absolutely right. We need to go to Boca Raton. That's right. We go to... No, we don't go to Boca. Oh, that's right. We get a Kobo. That's what we need. We just need a Kobo. Don't need a Kobo. What do we need? We have a book. I got a book right here. We need something to turn Rudy back in order. No. You guys don't think. Oh, it could mean that we need a book to turn Rudy back into a little boy. You think it'll work? Don't think it'll work? Shall we try it anyway, everybody? That's right. Okay, you guys. I think he wants us to try a book on Rudy to turn him back into a little boy. To do it, everyone help me out. Would you say Rudy, 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 louder, Rudy. Adults, help us. Rudy, Rudy. I can't hear you. Rudy, wake up. The kids want you. We have an idea. Okay, keep going, everybody. Here he comes. I've got him awake, I think. Rudy, Rudy. Here we go. Come on, Rudy, wake up. Wake up. Rudy, we know you're still not asleep because we know you don't snore. I know that you do. Everybody remember Rudy? No! What's the matter? I'm blind. I can't see. We still got the hood on you. Oh, yeah. Rudy, I've got good news. You're leaving? No, Rudy, the kids, the smart kids, the readers out here, they've been working so hard they figured out what you need to turn yourself back into a little boy. Look, what do I need? You need a B-O-O-K, a book. A book? What good is that going to do me? Well, Rudy, you know, like a cocoon changes a caterpillar to a beautiful butterfly, when we people read books, it changes us into something beautiful, too. You think it's going to work? Kids, shall we try it? Yeah. Okay, Rudy, the kids know the magic words. On the count of 3, they're all going to say, don't bug me, I'm reading. Rudy, I'm going to put the book in front of you, and then hopefully this is going to work. Everyone, you know what to say. I will count to 3. Here we go. 1. 1. Rudy, I need your help to count to 3. I can count without you, okay? Okay, sit there quietly, okay? Okay, here we go. Ready? 1. 1. Please, Rudy, I do not need your help to count to 3. Sit there quietly, okay? Okay, now sit up tall and straight. Come on, there you go. Okay, here we go. I will count to 3. Ready? 1. Oh, no. 2. 2. Stop it. Kids, you know what the yell. Here we go. 3. Don't bug me. I'm reading. Oh, my goodness, everybody. You did it. You turned it back into a little boy. Give yourselves a big round of applause. All right. I'm feeling normal. I'm feeling like myself. I don't have antenna anymore. Oh, yay! There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no... No, wrong movie. Oh, yeah. I think the kids did it. They worked real hard. Take a look in the mirror, Rudy. Would you look at that? What's the matter now? That big ugly guy still standing next to me. There I am. I'm back to normal. The most handsome Rudy in the land. Girls, woo! You know what? The kids work really hard, so what do you think you've learned from our show tonight? Okay, kids, this is what I've learned. Kids, don't be a dummy like me. This summer, turn off those TVs, turn off those Game Boys, turn off those Nintendos, and that internet. Yeah, what should they do? Turn on to the fun and thrill of reading books inside of their summer reading. And Rudy, if anyone ever bothers them while they're reading, what can they say? Don't bug me, I'm reading! Give Rudy a big round of applause, everybody! Big round of applause. Get on in here, Rudy, and read our book. All right, kids. Quiet, Rudy. So long. Goodbye, Rudy. Happy interstate. Shh. Read a book. Goodbye. Shh. Read a book. Aloha. Quiet. Go read your book. Sayonara. Bye. Kids are being quiet so you can read. You need to be quiet too. Okay, now listen up everybody, we've come almost to the end of the show. Let me tell you about Peekaboo here, you guys. Peekaboo is a new rabbit to the show, so unfortunately cannot tonight let your pet Peekaboo. But when we're done in the show in just a moment, please stay behind the orange cones. And if you wave goodbye to Peekaboo as you leave and go in and sign up for summer reading, maybe he'll even wave back at all of you guys. So on behalf of Rudy, Clarence the butterfly, let me say Sammy the spider, Barney the bookworm, and Peekaboo the bunny, I am Steve Taylor, the magical ventriloquist. If you liked the show tonight, remember my name is Steve Taylor. If you didn't like the show, my name is David Copperfield. You all have a great night. Keep reading those books and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.